Welcome to Bike Shift, a channel where we continue exploring speed, power, and innovation in the world of machines. Today, we step beyond roads and wheels into the sky. Our topic is the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2, a fighter jet that represents the next leap in India's aerial defense. Built with advanced technology, upgraded power, and remarkable agility, the Tejas Mk2 stands as one of the most promising 4.5 generation fighters of the future. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 is designed to overcome the limitations of the current Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A. It is not just an upgrade, it's a re-engineered leap forward. With a larger airframe, increased payload capacity, and more powerful electronics, the Tejas Mk2 aims to replace aging fighters like the Mirage 2000, MiG-29, and Jaguar in the Indian Air Force. This new variant promises extended operational flexibility, longer endurance, and stronger strike capabilities. At the heart of the Tejas Mk2 lies a powerful engine expected to deliver a thrust class nearly 1.5 times greater than its predecessor. This gives the jet enhanced acceleration, faster climb rate, and improved supersonic cruise. With an estimated top speed crossing Mach 1.8 and a combat radius that brings far-off targets within reach, this fighter is built for dominance in air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. The improved aerodynamic design also allows better maneuvering, giving the aircraft a lethal advantage in dogfights. The Tejas Mk2 is equipped to carry a wide variety of weapons, from close-range missiles to long-distance precision strike systems. With a higher payload capacity than the Mk1 series, this jet can handle beyond visual range missiles, laser-guided bombs, anti-radiation missiles, and more. The presence of 13 hardpoints means the aircraft can be configured for multiple mission types: air superiority, ground attack, or interception, making it one of the most versatile fighters India has ever produced. A modern fighter is only as strong as its brain, and the Tejas Mk2 brings advanced avionics into play. A new AESA radar, enhanced electronic warfare suite, integrated sensor systems, and improved cockpit displays create a highly responsive combat environment. With superior stealth features, digital flight controls, and network-centric communication capabilities, this aircraft evolves into a powerful multi-role fighter ready for modern battlefield conditions. What sets the HAL Tejas Mk2 apart is its adaptability. It reflects India's progress in defense manufacturing and opens the doors to future technologies like unmanned teaming and AI-assisted combat. With production aimed to support long-term fleet needs, this aircraft may one day stand not just as a national asset but as a global export competitor. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 is more than a jet, it's a statement of rising capability and confidence. With greater range, advanced avionics, improved engine thrust, and expanded weapon options, it stands ready to shape the next era of Indian air superiority. This was Bike Shift, presenting another chapter in the world of machines where innovation meets power. Stay tuned for more. Flight continues forward.